Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of PyCharm unified version on a Windows operating system. And after that I am going to also show you how to use this latest PyCharm unified version for Python programming. So do watch the video till the end. If you face any issues, you can always ask me on comment sections. And I'm also on Instagram now, so you can ask all of your doubts over there as well. I'm definitely going to help you. So now to install PyCharm unified version, you have to first simply go to favorite browser and to type over here PyCharm download. Hit enter. So that will show you this JetBrains.com. So just simply go to their official site. I'm going to post this link on our channel description. And once when you are here, you need to accept these cookies and all. And once when you're here, you will see this PyCharm unified product. And it is available for Windows, macOS and Linux as well. Alright. So you're going to switch to Windows and you need to just simply click on this download button and it's going to immediately start downloading our PyCharm unified product. So let's cancel this as I have already downloaded it, and I want to talk about a bit about Python unified first. So PyCharm is now an unified product, so now you have both the features of the community edition and professional edition integrated into a single PyCharm. So that's what basically PyCharm unified product means, and you'll have 1 month of free pro trial, and after that you need to pay certain amount if you want to use the professional one. Alright, but if you want to use it only their community features, so that is completely free, so you don't need to worry about anything. So if you're just a student or if you want to just walk around with PyCharm, so that remains completely free, no need to worry. So this unified product basically combines both professional and the community edition into a single product. So once you purchase it, you'll be able to use the professional features. But if you are not going to purchase, if you are going to just simply use their community one, so that also you can do. Alright, so everything I'm going to show you on this video itself, you don't need to worry. So let's minimize our browser and go to our download directory. And here you can see that our latest version of PyCharm unified version is rightly downloaded over here, and the file size is 825 MB, so it's a little bit a big file. So just simply double click on that. It will ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes. So welcome to PyCharm setup. So minimize our download directory and just simply click on next over here. So this is where our PyCharm is going to be installed, totally fine, click on next. And here you need to select all these different options. You need to select also this one, that's a very important step. Add bin folder to path and click on next. And ready to be installed, click on install. So immediately it will going to start installing our PyCharm unified version. So you can see it is our desktop shortcut is also created over here. And it's going to take some time to install our PyCharm. So let's wait for a couple of minutes, and by the time it get installed, I would also like to show you some very popular Python projects that I am recently creating. So you can check out this playlist. So all these videos link I'm going to provide right in our channel description, and every week I keep on uploading new videos. So you can create your very own QR code to encode some data. You can convert any text to a handwritten text, or you can build a simple face detector which will be able to detect any human face or an animal face. So all that, you can even create your very own text to speech converter, so it will be very human realistic voice, I can say. So if you watch these videos, you'll be able to learn a lot of new things, and you can even try it out. You can add all these projects to your resume as well, so that will help you to get into Python developer job in future as well. Alright, so I recommend you to watch this playlist, and you'll be getting more and more videos on this playlist very soon. So yeah, so here let's wait for some more time, and there you go. So completing our PyCharm setup. So here I'll recommend you to select this reboot now option and click on finish to restart your system. So after restarting your system, let's again come back to this video. So welcome back. So after rebooting your system, you'll be again landed over to the desktop, and here is our PyCharm unified product. So just simply double click on the shortcut that will going to start launching our PyCharm, and there you go. So here is our license agreement. You must read this, accept it, and click on continue. So it's going to ask you to allow its features so that firewall do not block them. So just simply click on allow, and there you go. So here is our PyCharm. So you are installing it for the first time, so click on skip import, and it is rightly launched. So here is our PyCharm unified version. So let's first maximize it. On this unified version, you will get these notebook features also added over here. So I'm going to show you all of that in the coming part of the video. Just keep watching this video. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new project, and here is what you need to give your project name. So let's give our project name as Hello World, and also check this create a welcome script. And here the most important part, you need to select one Python interpreter. So on my previous videos I have showed you how to install latest version of Python, so you can use that exe itself. So that is what we have installed over here. If you don't have Python installed on your system, then I highly recommend you to install it just right now, and then you'll be able to see all these different options over here. Alright, so yeah, so just simply keep it default and just simply click on create. So that's going to immediately start creating our project. First, it's going to also ask you to provide permission to elevator.exe. So just simply click on yes, and there you go. So you can see it is rightly launched, and our 30-day pro trial is also rightly started. So here you can see that trial note. So let's wait for a couple of minutes to get our project rightly open. So when you click on the show all, you can see it is properly indexing and all that. So it's going to take some time. So let's wait for all these different process to get finished executing. So we'll come back. So now you can clearly see that our project is rightly open. So here is our main.py file, and here is our what's new on PyCharm tab. You can always read this beautiful article, and it has also activated our free trial, so you can use it 30-day of their professional features for completely free. And after that, it's going to ask you whether you like to purchase them or you just simply want to switch to the community edition. So that also you can do. So when you scroll down, you'll be able to see this note that they have written over here. So what happens after the pro trial ends? So when your pro trial ends, you can keep using PyCharm for free with access to its core features, so which includes essential Python support, smart code editor, of course, with auto completion and everything. So on our previous videos I have showed you how to use their auto completion features with their smart code support and everything. And then the first navigation and search functionality with developer tools, debugger, and all that, Git, and even Jupyter Notebook support as well. And if you still want to cancel their pro features, then you can always go to the search and just simply type something like manage, and you'll get this manage licenses option coming over here. So when you click on that, so that's going to open this manage licenses. So here you can see that we are using this trial version, and it will be valid through 30th of May 2025, and today's date is just 1st of May, so just 30 days from today. So till that point you'll be able to use it for completely free, and by this time if you want to cancel it, you can always go to the search and go to this manage licenses, and you can always click on this remove subscription. So click on remove subscription, so that's going to remove it, and you can then click on this continue for free, and that's going to unload some of the plugins, and it will tell you to restart. So just click on restart to restart your PyCharm again. It's rightly started launching again, and this time you'll be able to see this unlock pro. So now you are no longer using their professional edition, so now you are using their free edition. Alright, so that's what they have done within a single unified product. They have integrated both professional and the community one. So now you are using a community one, so you can click on this unlock pro, and that's going to open this trial article, and again you can read this. You can again activate it by just simply going to this search and type manage license. Activate it as well by just simply signing in or purchasing it. Alright, so yeah, so now let's do a bit of coding. So I have explained all the stuff about PyCharm unified. So now let's do a bit of coding. Let's delete all the stuff that are there on our main.py file and write simple Python hello world code, and let's click on the run button. So it's going to immediately start building and going to show you the output, right? So I have also told you that I'm going to show you about Jupyter Notebook on PyCharm. So all you need to do is you need to click on the file that you'd like to convert to a Jupyter Notebook. So just simply select that and right click. So that will show you this convert to a Jupyter Notebook option. So just click on that, So that's going to open a new window to save your file. So let's keep this file name intact and click on save, and it's going to create this main.ipynb file. So that is that Jupyter Notebook file. So when you double click on it, it's going to open with their traditional Jupyter Notebook shell and their markdown and code options also directly coming, right? So that way, so you can always click on this run button, so you can see right on our cell itself it's going to show you that output. So first it's going to start the server. You can see it is starting that Jupyter Notebook server and going to install some of the packages of Jupyter Notebook, and once that is done, it's going to show that output over here, and there you go. So you can see the output properly coming on our Jupyter Notebook console as well. So you can do all these different options like assign couple of number A then B, and you can do summation of these two number A plus B, and when you click on run button you get that output coming, right? Alright, so yeah, so that's how you use Jupyter Notebook on PyCharm unified version, and I have also showed you how to subscribe to their PyCharm professional one or how to revert back to their community one as well. Alright, so which is totally free. So yeah, so that's how you install PyCharm. Don't forget to watch our playlist, the School Python projects. I am sure you are going to love it. So don't forget to watch our other Python tutorials on our channel as well. And lastly, special thanks to the supporters of our channel. We are truly grateful to you guys. Supports like this really motivate us to create and improving these videos. Again, thanks a lot for being an essential part of our journey. So yeah, so that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.